In the United States of America, the governors control so much of their resources. The governors have so much power. In fact, what items are left in the exclusive list of the federal government in America are less than 10 items. For us in Nigeria right now, there are 68 solid items in the exclusive list of the federal government. Pray, what is the federal government doing with all these powers? Federal governments everywhere in the world should limit its powers to issues of security, issues of currency, issues of territorial integrity. So this is the spirit of the restructuring that some of us want to carry into the National Assembly. Now wait for this. Do you know what is going to happen if we allow restructuring to take place? You will have the state police. Now we've been talking and debating about the state police for so long. By now the state police should be functioning. If the state police were to be functioning, nobody will dare come and kidnap my very good friend, one of the vice chairmen of Ifedayo local government was kidnapped recently. We're still trying to look for him. We're still trying to find him. If you have restructuring and you have state police, who will dare kidnap any citizen at all? Not to talk of a vice chairman of a local government. In Orire local government, in Oyo State, my people were in custody of the kidnappers for 56 solid days. He had to take the federal government to come down to Oyo State to come and do something about it. Because the governor anywhere right now is just a glorified Boy Scouts master. They call him the chief security officer in his state, but he cannot even give any instruction to the police commissioner. Sections 214 to section 216 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria are clear that only the Inspector General of Police can give instructions to state commissioners of police. The restructuring that we are talking about will take care of something like this. Now, section 216 starting from section 215 of the Constitution, will say, State Commissioner of Police can take instructions from the governor after he has confirmed from the president or the Minister of Police Affairs who is fooling who. So you are saying that State Commissioner of Police can decide to disrespect the governor. Is that not what is happening in Osun State right now? My own state, governor has been crying wolf and seeking the redeployment of the State Commissioner of Police because the State Commissioner of Police has more than enough powers to disrespect the governor. It's even good enough that it is the Commissioner of Police that is disrespecting my governor here. In Lagos State, a divisional police officer refused to take instructions from Governor Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, who, strictly speaking, may be one of the first political sons of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, where the President himself had been governor before. Restructuring has to take care of issues like this. We need to make sure we have the state police so that the governors can become proper chief security officers of their state.